Hey guys, welcome back to the Struggleville YouTube channel. For this video I have 10 amazing tool deals to share with you. We got deals from Milwaukee, DeWALT, Makita, and Canipix. Some really good stuff. I'm excited to share it with you guys. They're going to be eBay deals, and I was trying to find items that were already on sale and then combine with this 15% off Labor Day promo code that's going on. So the promo code is Labor Day Save, 15% off, $25 minimum purchase, $500 max discount, and can be used twice per account. I do not know if those have to be separate transactions or if it can be used twice within one transaction, but when you go to use the code, you will find out for yourself. And you can see there are 23,000 total items included. This promo code will work for. Obviously, we're just specifically looking at tools. So the first deal I want to share with you is the Milwaukee M12 Subcompact Bandsaw Kit. So it's a kit, you're getting the battery and the charger to go with it. We have to add it to our cart to see the final price, and then we're also taking that 15% off in addition to that. Unfortunately, some of these deals have an $8.95 shipping charge, and other ones have free shipping. And the seller for these specific deals is Factory Authorized Outlet, FAO, although FAFO would be a little bit more preferable for those in the know. If you know, you know. Okay, so I'm going to go to the checkout. We have this little banner here. We can apply the coupon. I am going to have to get goofy with showing you guys these pages because it's got like my credit card stuff and address stuff and everything off to the side. So work with me here. So $189 was our discounted price. You got the $8.95 shipping, $15 tax. Everyone's going to charge you tax. You're not getting out of that from any realtor in this day and age. So the discount took $28 off, and out the door you are at $185. And if we compare it with the current price at Home Depot, $269 at Home Depot, plus you're going to get charged that tax, so essentially $100 cheaper through eBay right now. Next up, we're looking at the DeWALT DCF 902B 12 volt max 3/8 inch brushless impact wrench. I actually have this. I really like it. Nice and compact, plenty of power for most stuff. There's some times when you might have to break out a little more beefy impact, but 90% of the time just fine, and gets into tighter spots that the other ones might not. So this is a bare tool. Again, we got to add it to our cart or checkout. Got to apply our coupon. If you don't get that banner on yours, at the bottom of the page, there's a box where you can copy and paste the promo code. So $99, you have that shipping and tax, $14 discount. Comes out to $101.47 out the door. Acme Tools has it for $139. That doesn't reach their free shipping threshold, and you'll have to pay tax. So those are both additional charges. You see the save $25 with the code Labor Day for Acme Tools, but that's a $200 minimum purchase, so it alone would not qualify for that discount. I think I may have a bias towards impact wrenches. I own like 6. I bought that Max Tool deal over the weekend. Definitely don't need that many, but here we go. We got another one. Milwaukee M12 Fuel 3/8 inch Stubby impact wrench. And we apply the coupon. Starts out at $145. After all the discounts and everything, we get to $144, so $1 cheaper, negating the tax and shipping charges. So over at Home Depot, it's $199 plus tax. You do get a free item, but it's a 2 amp hour battery, so not a high value battery. And if you're in Milwaukee's M12 lineup, the odds that you need another 12 amp hour battery, very slim, even if you're willing to sell it on eBay. By the time you pay for the shipping and the fees, you're getting like 15 bucks out of the thing, so it's not a huge value. Anyway, I like the eBay deal better. Here we have a Makita deal, and lo and behold, there's another impact wrench. That was not intentional at all. It catches my eye, apparently. Makita 1.5 amp hour 3-piece combo kit. You get the impact driver, the impact wrench. You get this little LED light. Looks like it comes with 2 batteries to go with it. Obviously, you get the charger in the bag, all part of the 12 volt lineup. And it is all the way down to $154.99. We can go ahead and add it to our cart so we can get our breakdown. So thankfully with this one, I didn't even look at who the seller was, but it's got to be somebody else, maybe CPO, because it was free shipping. By the way, everything in this video is new. I took out, oh here it says CPO outlets, so it is CPO. I took out anything that was a refurbished item, so everything we look at in the video here is new. $154.99, you have the $12 in tax, bastards. Comes down to $143.75. And over at Home Depot, they would charge you a whopping $199 plus tax for the same item. Here's another item that we actually see from time to time that is on sale. And actually, eBay sellers have this on sale somewhat often, more regularly than a traditional retailer, which is kind of interesting. We got the DeWALT 13-inch 2-speed woodworking thickness planer. You get the extra tables and knives to go with it. It says 7 sold in the last 24 hours, so kind of a popular item. Even though this one's FAO, it does come with free shipping. So you can see a discounted price of $5.89, which actually that's already really good. And then our discount's going to take $88 off after tax. We're at $5.46. And over at Home Depot, it's $7.49, again, plus tax. And tax on something that's $700 is crazy expensive. So much, much cheaper right now on eBay. Looks like another item that has sold a few in the last 24 hours, 4 in this case. We do go back to having the pesky shipping charge, but it's the Milwaukee Pack-Out 2-drawer durable toolbox with 50-pound capacity. You can see it is discounted down to $139, and we apply our coupon. After paying the shipping and the tax, getting our discount, $138.57. And over at Home Depot, you're at $149 plus tax. Have another Milwaukee Pack-Out item to share with you. It's the Pack-Out XL heavy-duty toolbox with organizer tray. In this instance, we have 6 watched in the last 20. Look at 180 sold, man. There's a lot of those. So if we look at the details here, we're down to $89 added to our cart. eBay doesn't like all of my adding and removing and clicking and stuff. That looks like those are all lions, right? That's a cat. That's a lion. Whew, I'm human. I was worried for a second. So for this Milwaukee Pack-Out item, out the door, $92.19. And over at Home Depot, we have a new lower price of $99 plus tax. And of course, I have to always throw in an item that I might have to pick up for myself. I bought the DeWALT Cordless Angled Finish Nailer a while back, and I really like it. I know some people are not so hot on it. Boy, I haven't had any problems at all. I really like it. Much better than the damn air compressor one I've been using for years. Anyway, DeWALT 20-volt max, 18-gauge cordless brad nailer kit. So you get the battery and the charger to go with it, a single battery to go with it. It says 6 sold in the last 24 hours. Let's look at the current price. So out the door, we're getting free shipping on this one after tax, $296.79. And Home Depot will charge you $349 plus tax. Here we're looking at the Canipix 3-piece Alligator pliers set. It's $98.96. We're getting free shipping. We're going to take that 15% off for the Labor Day savings. And I know it's not the biggest discount in the world, but Canipix deals are hard to find. They're kind of rare. And even when you do find them, you're not finding them half off. They're out of stock at Home Depot, but if they had them, they'd be $98.96 plus tax. Here we have the DeWALT 1.25 horsepower compact premium woodworking router with an LED light. 6 watched in the last 24 hours. It's going to be $129 and pretty much washes out. Still $129 after tax and the discount after tax and shipping and the discount. So $129. Over at Home Depot, $149 plus tax. So there it is, guys. 10 amazing tool deals for you. I will have those links down below. I'll have the individual tools. I'll link to the tool section, and I will link to this page that has everything included in case you want to look up any non-tool deals. Again, this goes through September 5th and 2 redemptions per eBay account. If you really, really want something, hint, hint, there's no restriction on how many eBay accounts you can have, and they are free to create. Thanks for watching. Make sure to give the video a like, subscribe for a subscriber. I'll see you guys next time.